Introduction to Diodes. Hey there! Today, we're talking about diodes, a small but super important component in electronics. They're responsible for making sure electricity flows the right way in devices like your phone, laptop, or even streetlights. You might not notice them, but without diodes, our modern gadgets wouldn't work properly. Let's take a look at how they function and why they're so important. How diodes work. Diodes are made from semiconductor materials, like silicon. They have two sides, the anode, positive, and the cathode, negative. When the positive side of a power source connects to the anode, and the negative side connects to the cathode, the diode lets current flow through it. This is called forward bias. But if you flip the power source, the current is blocked because the diode becomes reverse biased, it won't let the current pass. This simple one-way flow of electricity is what makes diodes so crucial. They ensure that electrical devices only get power when it's in the right direction, protecting sensitive components and ensuring everything works smoothly. Types of diodes. There are a few different types of diodes, each with a specific purpose. The standard diode is used for converting alternating current, AC, into direct current, DC, something that's needed by most electronic devices. Then, there's the LED, light-emitting diode, which turns electricity into light. This is why we see LEDs everywhere, from smartphone screens to traffic lights. The Zener diode helps keep voltage stable in circuits, which is important for sensitive devices. Schottky diodes are great for high-speed electronics, and photodiodes convert light into electricity, which is useful in things like solar panels. Applications of diodes. Diodes are everywhere. They help convert AC to DC in power supplies, which powers most of your electronics. LEDs light up displays, streetlights, and more. Zener diodes help stabilize voltage in circuits, while Schottky diodes improve efficiency in high-speed devices. Photodiodes are crucial for renewable energy, like in solar panels, and also for optical devices like cameras and fiber optics. Diodes might be small, but they're essential for keeping everything running smoothly in the devices we rely on daily. Fun fact. Here's a fun tidbit. The first diode wasn't made from semiconductors. In 1904, John Ambrose Fleming created the Fleming valve, a vacuum tube diode that did similar work to today's diodes. It paved the way for modern electronics. Conclusion. So, that's a quick dive into the world of diodes. They're small, but they do big things, whether it's helping power your devices, lighting up your world, or even generating electricity from the sun. Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.